Rikhuan Mongkhuan. Rikhuan Mongkhuan in Ahom language, Rik means to call, Khuan means life, longevity, soul, Mong means nation. It is a ritual to worship Khuan to enhance or to call back the prosperity of the state or a person. Rikhuan is an important part of the Thai Ahom marriage system described in the old Thai script Lai Lit Nang Hun Pha. In early days, Rikhuan Mongkhuan was performed by the Thai Ahom kings on the victory of a war or the installation of the new kings. In the ceremony, devotee propitiates the god Khao-Kham, means the god of water, and invoke to restore the soul in the original normal place and to grant a long life. Recently, Rikhuan Mongkhuan is organized at Bokota Parijat of Sibsagar district in memory of Alaboi battle. The Alaboi battle was fought between the Assamese forces and the Mughal forces about 2 years prior to the historic Saraighat battle. The Assamese forces conclusively defeated the Mughals in the Saraighat battle. The Alaboi battle was fought by the Assamese soldiers under the generalship of Lasit Borphukan on August 5, 1669 with the Mughal forces led by Ram Singh. The battle took place in the southern fringe of the Alaboi hill. The Assamese soldiers initially fought valiantly despite the initial reluctance of their general Lasit Borphukan, who was somehow bewildered by the strategic drawbacks of his side. The Mughals had additional strength of a cavalry regiment, which the Assamese side did not have. Moreover, the Mughals were entrenched in a strategic location, but it was the insistence of the then Ahom Swargadeo Chakradas Singha that compelled Lasit Borphukan to order his troops to attack the Mughals. During the first half of the day, the Assamese force seemed to be victorious. But in the second half of the day, when the Assamese troops were returning to their camps, Ram Singh deployed his Rajput cavalry regiment to pounce upon the Assamese soldiers, and within 2 to 3 hours, around 10,000 Assamese soldiers were butchered by that regiment. Hundreds of small earth mounds believed to be moidams of the Assamese soldiers who embraced martyrdom fighting the Mughal army in the Alaboi battlefield around 345 years back have been discovered by the archaeologists of the State Archaeology Directorate near Posoria village of Dodora area in the Kamrup district. Each of these mounds is 2 to 3 feet high. Assam government would set up a war memorial at Kamrup as a part of the government's rich tributes to the devotion, dedication, martyrdom of the soldiers of Alaboi battle, where the Assamese soldiers belonging to different castes and creed put up a brave resistance against the Mughals. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that the people of Assam at present need to unite to fight against the divisive forces acting tactically against the growth and development of Assam. The ritual was performed according to the guidance of Senior Molung Tileswar Mohan Horen Mohan. Medini Madhav Mohan. Rikhuan Mongkhuan is organized before the beginning and after winning a war. It is performed when a disaster or pandemic is occurred in a country. Rik means to call, Khuan means life or longevity or soul, Mong means nation. It is a ritual to worship Khuan to enhance or to call back the prosperity of the state or a person. Today, this is organized in memory of the Battle of Alaboi. It is not possible to organize any ritual in the Alaboi site in this present situation. So, it is organized here. We want blessings from our gods and our forefathers for the welfare of our people and country. The Molungs are now going to derive Khon from our god Khaukham with chanting according to our religious book. This will occur for about 5 hours. Sutosrini Gogoi, the ritual is performed for the welfare of country and people. It is usually organized before the starting of a war and after its completion. Today, it is organized in memory of the 10,000 martyrs of Alaboi Battle. Which was fought 351 years ago. The impact of Alaboi Battle tactically fitted the Ahom soldiers to win the famous Saraighat battle. Every year, in this particular day, the sacrifices of the martyrs of Alaboi is remembered on this particular day. The ritual was performed according to the guidance of Senior Molung Tileswar Mohan Horen Mohan. Noted persons present in this occasion were Sangita Gogoi, Assistant Professor, History of Mongoldoy College; Sutosrini Gogoi Fukon, Assistant Professor, Philosophy, Moran College; Medini Madhav Mohan, Thai Teacher of Dibrugarh University; Pavitra Mohan Fukon, Secretary, Bihu Suraksha Samiti.